Hi, 7th grade. Miss Pyatt and Piscotti here.
Hi, guys.
How's everyone doing? We miss you guys.
Very much. Here's a big heart for y'all. Love you.
And we're glad that we're going to see some of you for the Learning Hub starting next week. If you have questions, reach out to one of us. In the meantime, we want to celebrate some students who came back like rock stars to second semester with 100% attendance. So here's Miss Piscotti with our big wheel of entries.
Okay, so we've got the huge Okay, first person, here we go, that had perfect attendance is Joey Taylor. Woo! Congratulations, Joey.
Joey will reach out about a gift card and mail it to your house. And our second winner.
Okay, I'm doing another little spin here. Here we go, drum roll. Okay, next up is Mariah Hampton. Way to go.
Okay, Joey and Mariah will reach out about a gift card and mail them to your house. In the meantime, we'll continue to do this periodically for attendance and for 21st Century Scholar applications. So make sure you get your scholarship applications in. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.